Welcome to lesson 24. Today we're going to talk about present continuous negative. Negative is no or not. We use present continuous to talk about things happening now, like I'm talking, things that started in the past but are still happening, you are learning English, and things that will or might happen in the future, like maybe you are going to Dubai this weekend. And when we say negative, we say it won't happen. So things that are happening now, I am talking, I'm not talking. So we say not. Now let's remember again what we did last time. When we talk about present continuous, we have the subject, I, he, she, it, you, we, they. Then you have your verb be, which is am, is, and are. So I am, he is, you are, and then we have the action verb plus ing. So I am walking, he is eating, you are learning. And to say negative, we put the not between the two verbs. So I am not walking, he is not eating, you are not learning. Now read this with me. I am walking, he is eating, she is learning, it is playing, you are writing, we are talking, they are driving. To make it negative, I am not walking, he is not eating, she is not learning, it is not playing, you are not writing, we are not talking, they are not driving. And in English we make it short. Say I'm not walking. He is, he's not eating. She is, she's not learning. It is, it's not playing. You are, you're not writing. We are, we're not talking. They are, they're not driving. So are these both correct? I am not walking or I'm not walking? Yes, they're both correct. They're exactly the same. So let's practice. The teacher, am not writing on the whiteboard, that's green. The teacher is not writing on the whiteboard, or the teacher am not writing on the whiteboard. The teacher is she, so the teacher is not writing on the whiteboard, correct. Now I, what do you say after I? I am not playing football, I is not playing football, or I are not playing football. I am not playing football, correct. And they what? You do this one. Nice. So well done. We're going to see you next time for present continuous questions. So if you go back on your past simple and your present simple questions, just to understand, because it's the same system. Okay, see you later.